Hey, I'm Emily and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these friendship bracelets. So they may be a little bit niche because I used one of my favorite bands, Sleep Token, but the great part about this project is that you can choose literally anything you want. You could choose your name, a friend's name, your partner's name, a band, a TV show, literally anything. So it's very personalized and you can tailor it to whatever you want. I don't know if you could see it that well, but I'm wearing one right now, so let's get into it. The materials that you need for this project are pretty simple. You just need some bead string, scissors, letter beads, and just a few regular beads. I got all of these supplies at Michael's, and I will link everything that I use in the description below. So first things first, I'm gonna cut off some string. I'm just kind of loosely measuring how much string I need to go around my wrist. And once that's cut, I'm gonna tie about 2 to 3 knots just to make sure it's big enough for all of the beads. And I haven't actually made bracelets since I was in high school, so this is a little bit nostalgic for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start picking out my letters. I'm making 2 Sleep Token themed bracelets. So my first bracelet will say Sleep Token and my second bracelet is going to say Alkaline. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick all of those out. So now I'm just starting to put beads on. The black beads were smaller than the clear beads, and it was really hard to put them on with my nails being long. So I'm using these Cricut tweezers to pick them up, and it worked a lot better. And once I feel like I put enough regular beads on, I'm just gonna start putting on the letters. I repeated the black and white bead pattern at the end after the letters. And now I'm just kind of measuring to make sure that it's gonna fit around my wrist, which it does. So I'm gonna tie 2 to 3 knots again and cut off the excess string and put that aside to work on my next one. And for my next bracelet, I just inverted the colors. So rather than black then white, I just did white then black. And that's it. This project is so simple, so fun. Like I said, I love that it could be personalized to anything that you want. And I really want to know if you wind up trying this project. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you want to see more content from me, just subscribe to my channel and follow me on other socials so we could be friends, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye!